finally have a decision on Tom Brady's Deflategate suspension appeal. The NFL announced Tuesday that Commissioner Roger Goodell has decided to uphold the Patriots quarterback's 4-game suspension. The league released a statement saying that Brady directed his cell phone be destroyed. The statement said Brady, quote, did so even though he was aware that the investigators had requested access to text messages and other electronic information that had been stored on that phone. During the 4 months that the cell phone was in use, Brady had exchanged nearly 10,000 text messages, none of which can now be retrieved from that device. The destruction of the cell phone was not disclosed until June 18th, almost 4 months after the investigators had first sought electronic information from Brady. Roger Goodell is standing by the findings outlined in the Wells report that Brady was in fact involved in the deflation of Patriots game balls. The statement continues, quote, the commissioner found that Brady's deliberate destruction of potentially relevant evidence went beyond a mere failure to cooperate in the investigation and supported a finding that he had sought to hide evidence of his own participation in the underlying scheme to alter the footballs.